Hello everyone, and welcome in Plus Your SOFTECH business. We provide Alfresco training, consulting, and maintenance of the Alfresco ECM. In this tutorial, today I will share with you the lesson number 4 in our third module in Alfresco and user section. In this lesson, we will cover some topics. The first topic will be how to edit the content. And we will know as well how to copy and move a content. How to delete content too. So let's start. Editing a content. There are two ways to edit your content as follows. First, you can edit your content using Edit Content in Alfresco. You can edit the plain text, HTML, and XML file directly in Alfresco Share. For that, first you need to hover over a file and click More. Then, Edit in Alfresco. Edit the file details and content as required. Click Save. Editing a content offline. Editing a file offline is downloading it to your computer and locking it in the library so that other users can't overwrite it while you make changes offline. Hover over a file and click More, then Edit offline. Follow the prompt and save the file to your computer. The file is added to the My Editing view on the left side of the library. Open and edit the version you are downloaded. Click Upload New Version to upload the edited version to Alfresco Share. Cancel editing to unlock the file without making changes. So before to move to copying and moving a content, we need to understand how we can edit our content using two ways. We can use first, the first way, as I told you, is editing a content in Alfresco Share or editing a content offline. Let's do it. So you choose which file you want to edit. First, if you have a folder, click on Further first to access to your file. I want, for example, to edit this file. Is an HTML file called File1. So I go on the left of my file and I click on More. So I can see these options: Edit in Alfresco or Edit offline. First, we will see how to edit the content in Alfresco. I will click on it. And we will see what is the content of this file. The content of my file is, this is my first file and it's inside the folder 1. So I will edit my file by adding more content, okay? So I will make points and I will say I am editing my file using Alfresco edit in Alfresco option. Okay, so let's save this content and we will see if it's working, if we were able to edit our content. So let's see. Let's to click on our file that we edited. And we will read what was the content. Oh, let's see. What is the content? Just loading. We need to click in edit in Alfresco here, okay? For the seeing the content. So I click there. Now let's see. Yes, it's working. My second sentence is added. Good. Now let's move now. We will see how to edit our content using the second option or second way is edit contents offline. Okay. So we will return to our file. And we click on more. And after that, we click here, edit offline. I will click on edit offline. And what will happen? This document, I just remove this for reading. This document is locked by you for offline editing. So this option, as I wrote it in my PPT, when I click on Alfresco offline, directly this for my file will be locked. One copy of my file or the original file will be locked here in Alfresco, but another copy will be downloaded in my computer. That copy which will be downloaded in my computer, I can edit it. Okay, and after that, when I finish to edit it, I will upload it to my Alfresco. So let's do it. They ask me if I want to save file while after downloading it. Yes, I want. I will click on OK. So let's open it. This one. So I will edit my file using, in my computer. So I will choose which application I will use it for open my files. So for example, BlogNote. Yeah, it's here. So this is my first file, and this is the first sentence that was on first in my file, and this is the second sentence that I added in my file. I will put the second one here or here. I am editing my file using edit offline option. So let's see what we should do now. We close that window and we'll come here. In my file is still locked. I will go to more and I will click here, upload new versions. I will click in upload new version. So now I will select the file to upload. I click and this is the file that I changed it or that I edited. and I click on upload. See what happened now? My file is not locked anymore. Okay, good. So let's see, let's open it now to see if the third sentence is added to my file. Okay, I click on edit in Alfresco and I will see, just I click in edit in Alfresco only to see what is the content now in my file. Okay, so this is my first sentence. I am editing by using editing in Alfresco option, and I am editing my file using edit offline option. Good. So it's working. Very good. So let's move to another topic now, copying and moving a content. Okay. So let's see how we can copy and move our content. Content can be copied and moved between different site locations. Okay. First, find the file or folder you want to copy. Hover over a file or folder and click Copy to. Choose the site and a folder where you want to place a copy of the content. Click Copy. Now for moving the folder, the contents can be moved by selecting them and using the Move To instead of Copy To option on the selected item menu. Okay, let's see. First, we will try how to copy our content, and after that, we will see how to move our content. Okay, so let's go. I will return to my files or folder. If you can work with folders or file as you like. Me, I have many files, so I will work with file. So I will choose this cover letter. I will go to more. I want to copy this file. Okay, so I will go after that on copy to. I click, and they will ask me where I want to copy my file. So which site? There is, I can see many sites. I will click, for example, all sites. There is here a recent sites, and here all sites. Okay, so I will click on all sites to see which site I will choose. For example, I want to copy it in training site. Okay, and they will ask me which document, test 1, which folder, test 1, test 2, test 3, or test 4, which folder. For example, I will choose no folder. I want this file to be inside no one. Okay, I will just copy. If I want it to be on a test folder, so I will click on test folder, and after that I will click on copy. But if I want to be not inside any folder, so I just click on document and I copy. It's easy. Okay, so I copied this file. Let's see where is it exactly. I will go sites, after training sites, and I will see if my file cover letter is there. Yes, see, cover letter is here as well, in site or training sites. Yes, I copied. Now let's go to see how we can move our file or folder. Moving file or folder means you will change the place or that file or folder from that place to another place. You will not copy it. Okay, so it's simple. I will go again to my new Alfresco site, training site, because there I have many files and folders that I created. So I go there and I click on document library. After that, folder 1. And I will move. For example, I want to move this one, folder perm 1. Okay, I want to move this file to another places. So I will go to more option. I will click on more option, and I will click after that on move to. They will ask me where I want to move it. Same thing. For example, I want to move this this file on training sites. Okay, and exactly in test 1, this folder. We will try this one, test 1, and I click on move. So let's see now is if it's moved there or not, okay? So I will go to my sites, training sites. We can see site content means my actions, all my actions is there. You can see that if you want to, I have recently modified, you see, all what can happen in the sites is displayed in this dashboard, okay? So document library. And yes, I move it to test 1 folder, right? Yeah, it's here, folder permissions 1. It's moved here. Okay, good, it's clear, I think. Now let's move to another topic, is how to delete our content. Let's see how it's very simple. Deleting content. Deleting content is removing it from site library. So how we can do that? Hover over a file or folder inside the document library, then click more. Click on either delete document or delete folder. It depends on which kind of content you have. Click on delete. The content is moved to your trash can. From there, you can recover it or delete it permanently. Okay, so it's directly moved to trash can. Let's see how we can do that. Before telling to you thank you, let's see a demo. So I will return to my precedent sites. Or for example, I will stay in this site, okay? I will not change site. I want to stay in this site, training site, okay? And I want to remove, or sorry, yes, to remove, to delete my file. So I will go to more, and I will click on delete document. I can see here delete document because it's a file, but if I want to delete a folder, this is folder, I can see this option delete folder. So as I told you, it depends about which kind of content you want to delete, okay? So I come here and I will click on delete document. Delete the document. Yeah, delete. So it's deleted. There is no no file anymore here. It's deleted. Okay. So we've seen how to delete the contents. Okay, we've seen how to edit the content. After that, how to copy, to move, to delete. Okay, so thank you for watching me or to watching this video, and for more lesson, please visit plusyoursoftech.com. The URL is given below in the description. Thank you and see you in next lesson. Thank you. Bye.